Hello, welcome to another class of Big Data Query. So today we will discuss that how to query a table. So we have these following tables with the name of movies, names 12. Now we have to create a query here. So here we have to create a query, so in which we have to compose a query. So let's start the query. Like we have to select names and then we have to select count. From where we have to select this, we will select these names and accounts from our table names 12 shown here. So we have to define the destination to, which we have saved in the form of this. Now from where we are applying a statement here that we have to select gender female, but out of all the names in that table we have to select females. Now we have to order by form of count, and we are showing a descending series with limit of 5. Now we have to close it, so we will have top 5 names out of all the table. Let's run this query, showing and running a time. It is showing that we don't have any names, so let's change the statement like we have given here name. So now we can run the query. This is an error message, so we can change our program accordingly. Now we have the result. So this is the Mary, Anna, Emma, Elizabeth, Margaret are the top 5 names with the count in the descending. We can see the count 6919 names. We have Mary, then we have Anna. So this is our query results. That means out of all the table, which is a big data, we can't manage this. We can apply a query and we can have the result. Thank you so much.